In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export reports from Wave for your accountant. Let's start by opening Wave Accounting and signing in to your account. Make sure you're in the correct business profile if you manage more than one, so the numbers you export match the business your accountant is expecting. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Reports. This is your hub for all the key financial summaries your accountant uses. Now choose the report you want to share. Profit and loss shows your income and expenses over a period, great for seeing profitability. Balance sheet is a snapshot of what you own and owe at a specific date. Cash flow helps explain how money moved in and out of your business. And the sales tax report summarizes taxes collected and paid. Pick the one your accountant asked for, and you can always repeat these steps for additional reports. Before exporting, set the report details. Choose the date range that matches the period your accountant needs, month, quarter, year, or a custom span. If the report offers a type or basis option, select what applies, such as cash or accrual. This ensures the report matches your accounting method. Check for any additional filters that might help narrow the data to what's relevant. Generate the report by clicking Update Report or Run Report. Give it a quick review to confirm the time frame and totals look right. A fast scan here can save back and forth later. When you're ready, click Export in the top right corner. You'll be asked to choose a file format. PDF is perfect for a clean, read-only snapshot that's easy to print or reference. CSV is best if your accountant wants to open the data in a spreadsheet or import it into another system. If you're unsure, PDFs are typically fine for review, while CSVs are best for deeper analysis. Next, save the file to your computer. Choose a secure folder and consider renaming it clearly, like P&L Janma 2026, so it's easy to identify later. If your browser doesn't prompt you, check your Downloads folder. Finally, share the report with your accountant. You can email the exported file or upload it to their preferred portal. Keep your message simple and include the period covered. If you're sending multiple reports, attach each exported file and label them consistently. And that's it. Your Wave reports are now ready to share with your accountant. Thanks for watching.